Okonomiyaki is a beloved Japanese dish. It's a savory pancake that offers endless possibilities for customization. Often referred to as Japanese pizza or Osaka soul food, okonomiyaki provides a delicious and fun dining experience. The name okonomiyaki means grilled as you like it, which reflects the dish's versatility. You can use a variety of ingredients with common additions including meat, seafood, and vegetables. The batter is made from flour, eggs, and water or dashi. Okonomiyaki is a popular street food and casual dining option in Japan, cooked on a teppanyaki grill, a flat iron griddle. Often diners cook okonomiyaki themselves at their tables, adding to the interactive and enjoyable nature of the meal. This dish represents Japanese culinary creativity, allowing for endless flavor combinations and catering to individual preferences, making it a true delight for food enthusiasts. The foundation of okonomiyaki lies in its essential ingredients, which provide the base for this flavorful pancake. Finely shredded cabbage is key, providing texture and sweetness. The batter, made with flour, eggs, and water or dashi, binds the ingredients together. The choice of toppings is where okonomiyaki truly shines. Thinly sliced pork belly is a popular option, adding a savory richness. Seafood, such as shrimp and squid, brings a delicate oceanic flavor. Vegetables like bean sprouts and green onions offer a refreshing crunch. The beauty of okonomiyaki lies in its adaptability. You can tailor the toppings to your liking, use seasonal ingredients, and explore different flavor profiles. The possibilities are endless. Okonomiyaki's preparation is a spectacle in itself. It is traditionally cooked on a teppanyaki grill. The hot surface allows for even cooking and a crispy exterior. The process begins with heating the grill. A thin layer of batter is spread onto the hot surface. Then a mound of shredded cabbage is added. The chosen toppings are arranged on top. The okonomiyaki is then flipped to ensure both sides are cooked to perfection. Once cooked, the okonomiyaki is transferred to a plate and adorned with a symphony of flavors. Okonomiyaki sauce, a sweet and savory condiment, is generously drizzled on top. Mayonnaise adds a creamy touch, and a sprinkle of dried seaweed flakes and shaved bonito flakes complete the masterpiece. Finding truly authentic okonomiyaki outside of Japan can be a delightful challenge. Many Japanese restaurants worldwide offer their versions of this dish. However, the true essence of okonomiyaki lies in the details. Seek out restaurants specializing in okonomiyaki. Inquire about the ingredients. Authentic okonomiyaki uses high-quality, fresh ingredients. The preparation method is also crucial. Ideally, the okonomiyaki should be cooked on a teppanyaki grill. Engage with the chefs or owners. Ask about their inspiration and techniques. A passion for Japanese cuisine is a good indicator of authenticity. Embrace the experience of finding and savoring real okonomiyaki.